What is up, YouTube? So, it's been a while since my last introduction upload, and I actually started recording disassembling the bike, and it turns out that the video cut off my head, and so that was a waste. But I'm filming an update, so here is where we're at this point. So, we got the frame all the way tore down. We got the wheels over there, right there. So those are rusted as shit. And what I ended up doing was POR 15, and I didn't just paint it over the rust. I did the POR 15 degreaser, and then the metal prep, and then the POR 15. And so I just put on the second coat. We'll see how it turns out. I'm just doing the backs of the wheels. I'm not gonna do I'm not doing the front in POR 15. The backs were just so rusty that it was just gonna be too much work, and I wasn't gonna pay to get it sandblasted, even though that would have been cool. But then I would just had to deal with filling a bunch of pitted crap, and I didn't want to deal with that either. So I kind of went the cheap route on that, which I don't care. We also got the Lifan engine in stock. So we got the 125cc semi-auto with an electric start, just because I think that'll be cool. So that is where we're at. The hubs and everything, they are just extremely rusted. The bearings on those are shot. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff in progress right now. Right now, I'm working on doing these forks. So I got an oil seal on the way. If these even require oil, I don't even fucking know. But I did get a spanner wrench just for this purpose. So we're gonna try to take these apart, and I'm really doing this video just so I know how to put them back together. What else? So I feel like there's another update I can give, but yeah, that's where we're at. So we're working on forks. So here's working on some forks. Oh God. Am I spinning that the right way? Yeah. God damn. This is how everything goes when it's sat outside for 50 fucking years. This thing is just completely... Oh, this one's moving. This one's got some movement. That's good. Unless I'm fucking tightening it. Okay. So I've been watching some videos on like some guys that have done like the CT70 rebuilds, and I've been noticing there's quite a bit of similarities between some of the Suzuki and Honda stuff. Oh God. There's probably an easier way to hold this and put it in a vise or something. But I like to struggle through life. Oh, that was my neighbor. I just saw me talking to myself like a crazy person. But whatever. So I got some towels, paper towels laid out, assuming that this is gonna get messy. We're gonna put some gloves on because this is gonna get messy as shit. All right. Safety first, people. Well, actually, it's not even safe, guys. Don't want to get dirty. I like my hands being clean, pristine. Okay. I feel like I'm just gonna get crap all over my watch, but whatever. Okay. So let's twist this guy out. This is gonna go all the crap. Just gonna poop right out. It's probably a terrible view for you guys, huh? Okay. Oh wow, it just slides right out. Okay. Uh-oh. I hope this isn't like a broken spring or something. So it looks like that's not what the top of the spring should look like, so oh god. Oh god. See, this is how projects fucking always go. Oh shit. This isn't good. This is not fucking good. Cool. Well, sweet. That's just more shit to order, I guess. So I wonder how that was supposed to go. I have the service manual on this, and it has a pretty good diagram of that stuff. So let's see. Is that everything? Looks like there's still some more shit in there. I tell you what. So that's bad news. Now I gotta figure out where to find that crap. All right, let me see if I can. Is this good? Absolutely nothing. Okay. All right. Got my handy dandy magnetic thing. So hopefully. I don't know if this is gonna work at all. I mean, there's definitely some stuff up there. Probably like the assembly of this thing, not just. Okay. want to push it out from the other side, I guess. Let's see if I can do that. Alright, that's not working. Uh-oh. Sounds like there's springs up there still. Oh God. Alright. We're pausing this, or maybe I'll post this, I don't know, but yeah. If I ever find out what's going on, I'll do a video on it. Okay. So we said fuck it on that one. And we're going after this guy. And holy hell. These are sweat droplets all over me. Oh God, I have no energy to do it. I can't. God damn it. All right, there we go. Jesus. All right, so let's see what comes out of this guy. Hopefully, intact spring and shit. What is this? Bella, come in here. Let's try to run off again. Okay. So there's that. Okay. You getting this? Oh my God, same fucking thing. Same fucking thing. You gotta be kidding me. This is so weird. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that's what needs to come out of the other one. Okay. Alright, so well, it looks like that one's still intact. Okay. Alright, well that one better than the other one. Still broken, so that doesn't help us there, but alright, so I'm gonna brainstorm on how to get the other one out of there, because it's not just plopping out like the other. Alright, we're back. We've made some progress, guys. So I went and got the second side out, and actually I have a clip of that, so I'll probably just put that in here so you guys know that. But here's the side that I was having trouble with, and I was able to push it out with a hanger. So hopefully this, there we go. So we got two upper springs, that's good. But so it looks like there's a separate spring right there in the middle, and those broke on both sides. So somebody that's just taking this off of some jumps or something. Yeah, so that's how you disassemble forks apparently. Probably don't do what I did, but I got some parts on the way, and I've got a oil seal for these as well. So yeah, fun stuff. Another thing with these forks is the mounts for the headlight were taken off at some point. I don't know why, but so I have to get some more of those. All right, so I'm gonna do a debrief here and tell you what's next. All right, guys, so this is kind of the game plan. We got backs of the wheels done with POR15. I'm gonna paint and prime the front side of them. And then I'm gonna start working on the hubs. The bearings of these are awful. Like, yeah, they ain't doing much. I got new brakes. So we're gonna get this thing back in, I don't know what color I'm gonna do it on these yet. Yeah, so we'll see. I think I'm gonna do the wheels in black, kind of. I guess that's what it was originally. And then I'm gonna start working on the frame and stripping it down. I'm gonna try to reuse this mount. I think I said this in my first video, but I'm gonna try to reuse this mount here and just push it back further. I think I'm gonna be able to use this mount for the rear of the Life-In engine. And as far as shocks, I was thinking I might just get some cool looking ones, like nice looking ones. But yeah, I'm out. We'll see you guys.